The mood is upbeat, despite the market mood not being upbeat, right? But I just want to point out at the end of trade, of course, it's been a very disappointing day for the bulls. We go home with losses of around 145 points on the Nifty. But if you look at the winners and losers, very interesting today what happened in the two-wheeler space. While Bajaj Auto was the biggest winner, Hero Motor was the biggest loser. So it's really interesting, right? I mean, Bajaj Auto sentiment was very positive. There's a buyback that they have announced. Growth is looking good. On the flip side, Hero Motor's numbers were weak, so the stock was down almost 2.5%. So that was one big takeaway. The other big takeaway is that the metal space has been under a lot of pressure today. So that gave back quite a bit. JSW, Hindalco, Tata Steel, all under pressure, down about 3 to 4%. And IT as well was under pressure. So Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Wipro, TCS were all under pressure today. But it's interesting. I mean, today was, of course, one day. Yesterday, you saw a bit of a downtick as well. The verdict is still not out on whether this is the start of some sort of a downslide. It's too early to take that call. But for now, one thing you can say is that the market has become a bit volatile and maybe a pause button has been pressed on the rally.
Oh, yes, absolutely. I think we need more clarity from global markets before we can, have a definitive answer to that. But quickly, mid-caps were better off. The mid-cap index is ending with a gain of about 0.25%. Some PSU names did well. NBCC, 9%. Aircon, 7%. Some of the banks were okay. Bandhan Bank, 5%. UCO Bank up about 2 to 3%. Manappuram found some traction as well, 3% higher. And if you go beyond the volume charts, then some more gains. By the way, Subros has put on another 10%, I just noticed. It had a great day yesterday and today. So lots of buying on this one counter playing out. And then, of course, Sobha from the real estate pack did well. Overall, I guess mid-caps are fine, but I think we need more clarity on what the bigger large cap market move is going to be.
One more wicket is gone. 55 runs and 9 wickets.
Unbelievable. Okay. Well, we do have to take your leave on that note. It's curtains on closing bell, but don't go anywhere because all the market action continues. Up next is Markets Forward.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV18. For all the latest news and updates, do follow us on our social media platforms.